Hello everyone, welcome to Lyneham Estate, Yelmpton, the Saltram Rotary Classic Car Show near Plymouth. So today I have brought TeeCee to the show and yeah, going to have a look around some cars. Sorry about the wind noise if there is any, but yeah, today is TeeCee's second show ever, and first one in the southwest. So as we saw, we've got some Morris Minors and GFs, a little Fiat 500, nice Porsche, another MG, and we have I'm not too sure what that is. Someone can probably tell me what that car is. Not really sure. Is that GT6 maybe? That's a Gilburn. Hang on. Gilburn. Wow. It's a Welsh car by the look of it, because it's got a Welsh sign inside. Welsh flag even, not a sign. What we're talking about. So I've never actually seen a Gilburn before. Wow. Very Volvo-esque. We have a Jaguar 4.2. Very nice. Another little MGB. Soft top. Very nice. Porsche 4600 Super. Very nice. Parked next to a 914, which is basically a Volkswagen. Please don't hate me. Very nice car. And one car I missed, which was this Sunbeam Rapier. No, Sunbeam. Is it a Rapier? Supreme. Sunbeam Supreme. There is a Rapier here somewhere, which I saw. I will come back to it. And behind that is a Jaguar.
Just a very brief announcement to clear up some misunderstandings. We have got one ice cream van here, which is Julian Francis.
Edit that bit out.
Ice creams.
Right, next we have a Healy.
Vehicles that look
That's astonishing Healy, that is. That's lovely.
One is fresh seafood, and the other is Mr.
We have a little MGA, I think that is.
It's in one of the ice
Looks like
cream
an MGA.
vans. Seafood in another ice cream van.
Another MG.
And ice cream.
I think we have an MG club here.
Hope that clears things up.
Lovely looking car. Another MG. I'm not too sure. MG. Sorry about the wind. MG YT 1950. Lovely. 4-seat tourer. Beautiful. And I love that little attention to detail. Look at that. How nice. Next we have a Ford Corsair. Do love these cars. They're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful car. Didn't sell well as Ford had hoped, but still an absolutely stunning model. Then we have another MG. I'm not really sure. There's so many MGs. I get confused of what they are. Right, let's have a look at this Volkswagen bus. Around the back. And this bus, the owner tells me, it was a work vehicle, construction builder's van. And a lot of people don't believe him. But this is absolutely stunning Volkswagen. Let's have a look. There you go. VW Transporter. If you want to pause the film and zoom in and watch that, or read that even, feel free. Please do not touch. So look at this. This is immaculate. Absolutely immaculate in here. Absolutely beautiful. The smell is awesome as well. So yeah, it's been lovingly cared for. Now it has a 2-litre engine in there, and pictures of the van being restored, painted up. Yeah, loads of space in these. Remember these from when I was younger. Stepdad had one. Great looking thing. And we have this huge car, which I was told what it was, but I can't remember now because my memory is useless. Let's have a look, see if there's a badge on the front. Do we have a badge? We should have a badge. Oh, Lee Francis Coventry. Wow. Very, very nice. Big car. We have what is not a... hang on. Just spoke to the chap earlier. I forgot what it is already. It's a scimitar, but it's not a Reliant scimitar. It is made by the company that took over the panelling and the bodywork. So it is. Let's have a look around the front. There's a lot of stuff here. Not a lot, huge amount of room. Middlebridge. So the tooling was bought by Middlebridge, and they carried on making some of these. This is one of the very last off the line. So it's a very, very nice car. Love the colour, the paintwork. Very, very nice. MG, we have here a Sunbeam. I believe this is a Rapier. Some MGs over there, look. Lots of MGs. Yes, Sunbeam Rapier. Lovely looking car. We have a Mazda MX-5.
Yeah, they're about 400.
Oh wow, 400 of these ones. I never knew that. And we have, oh yeah, what's this? I don't need to show you around that car, do I? No, I do not. So another little MG. And we have this gorgeous, gorgeous Austin 8. Absolute beautiful car. Absolutely stunning colour. Next to a Triumph. I do like this style of car, and it's got the tail lights with the overhang over the tail lights. Absolutely stunning. And we have an Anglia Super. I need to have a look at this because I do like an Anglia. We have the Triumph. Oh, I'm filming. It's fine. Little Triumph. Spitfire, could be a Spitfire. I think it might be a Spitfire. Very, very cool. Spitfire, yes. Lovely little machine. And we have a Daimler Dart. I didn't realise this was here until now. Stunning looking machine and a beautiful, beautiful engine and bay. Look at that.
Oh, he's right down there.
Daimler Dart, I believe.
Pardon?
Daimler Dart.
Daimler Dart. My
Yes.
husband has a Daimler.
Beautiful
it's
car.
in the car park up there.
A Trojan car here. I saw this arrive. Very few moving parts, apparently, which is astonishing. 1922 to 1939. Look at that. It's a big old thing. It's tall. It's very tall. And we have two MGs very close to each other. Very close to each other. Wow. MGTF. And we have, what is this? Crosley. Wow, I thought they made record players back in the day. Wow, look at that engine. Oh, Sheldon, eat your heart out. Look at the size of this thing, it's massive. And it's even got a separate second windscreen for the second passengers.
Thank you very much indeed for coming.
We have a Triumph 2000 TeeCee in a gorgeous, gorgeous brown. So 70s. With a gorgeous cream interior. Absolutely stunning.
You're taking photographs of the dog or the car?
Filming the car. I didn't know there was a dog in there. We have an MG B, I believe, in a very, very pale yellow. We have a Rover 100, the proper big Rover 100, not the renamed 100. We have a gorgeous Dolomite. One moment.
Being silly with
Triumph Dolomite, debumpered at the front at least. nice Triumph engine. That is immaculate engine bay. We have a stag. Absolutely gorgeous stag T-top. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. Love the piping on the seats. That's a stunning car. It's a V8. Absolutely beautiful.
Just going to take it.
Another MGB. There's loads of these today. I've got a little blue MX-5. Another dark blue MG. And I've got a Sovereign there, I believe. Daimler Sovereign, which is quite nice. Big car. Modern Japanese. Sorry, Ian. We have a Ford Zodiac. Absolutely gorgeous two-tone. Beautiful car. And we have a Land Crab over there. We'll go around and film that. Yeah, Rick, just for you. We have a Series 1 Land Rover. Hope it rattles. Probably does. But don't know much about Landies, as you well know, Rick. But that's if you're watching. Yay! We have a Wolseley here. I think it's a Wolseley 6. Lovely car, also known as a Land Crab, probably named as other things as well. Stunning little car. Actually, it's not that little really, it's quite big. And the next car is a YouTuber. I can't get through because of people. This is Eliza the Allegro from John Cotton Classics, or Cotton Classics on YouTube. So, yeah, go and check his channel out. You need some subscribers.
Yeah, is that a strong spec?
He's got some videos on this car, and he's doing some videos going to shows as well. And I believe he is here. So, yeah, I do like these, and the Estates Allegros are quite rare now.
Yeah.
We have a Minor 1000 parked next, really nice, parked next to a very, very nice Vauxhall Nova. I think you might like that one, Ian. Very tidy car. We have a little Mini. Very, very nice little car.
Is that what you said?
A 1986 tax disc. Very cool. Yeah, very nice little car.
The truth comes out, yeah. I'm under a default name anyway. I'm joking.
Well, yeah, I mean, like my Land Rover, I did it.
I have a big Austin. Not too sure which one it is because, quite difficult sometimes to tell with these cars. But yeah, big old Austin. Very cool. So next over we have Porsche.
Where is it, mate?
Spider, I believe that said on a wing. Yeah, Porsche Spider. Or is it Sportster? Speeder. Porsche Speeder. I was wrong on both counts. Absolutely beautiful little car. Look at that interior. Yeah, fantastic. Oh wow. Have a look at that Escort there, guys. Check that out. Because it's right next to me. It's an RS 2000. That's gorgeous. Look at that. Some fantastic cars here. We have a Riley parked next to a Hillman. These are gorgeous cars. Love them. That's a Hillman Minx. That's different from the Minx that I remember, because the Minx I remember was the 1966. So this is very much like the design Roots took to the Avenger. So parked next to a gorgeous white Triumph Stag. Absolutely beautiful. Do love Stags. And in front we have another Ford Escort. So very, very cool. Sorry about my filming skills, people. We have a Granada 3-litre coupe. Absolutely stunning car. Beautiful. And we have this little tiny car. NSU. Oh, it's an NSU. Wow. That's a very cool K-Reg. That'll be 1970, I'd say. NSU Prinz. Wow. Look. SU Prince 4L. Wow. And we have a TVR. That is a beautiful colour. Love it. In behind we have a Morgan back there. Jaguar E-Type with only the 2 windscreen wipers, not the 3. So it's, I would say this is a late one. We have a Jaguar in the back there with a Morris Minor here. Which Jaguar is this? Let's have a look at the Jaguar.
It's got a V12 engine.
This is a big cat. It is a 2.4 litre Jaguar. That's a gorgeous car. Absolutely beautiful. The size of this thing. Oh, it's a Mark II. There we go. I do like these big Jags. And we have a Humber. Hi. These are gorgeous. Her Honda Humber Scepter. Absolutely beautiful colour.
I used to do a full jobs for bringing cars back from.
Absolutely gorgeous.
And then they trade them back.
And we have what looks like a 90s Bentley. Well, it's a W reg, so maybe the end of the 90s, early thousands. A very non-standard Mark II Golf. No idea what engine that is. So it's definitely not standard, and there's hardly anything else in here. Just an engine. And some wiper spindle motor thing. Parked next to a gorgeous red Mini. Check that out, that is very cool. It's got custom radiator. Very, very nice. You've got to love a Mini. Proper Mini. R registration. And he's a little tiny Mini in the window. And next to that we have a big Rolls Royce. Wow. Now that is a car. Huge next to this little Triumph. Look at the difference. Whoa. Look at that. The size of that dash. And it looks absolutely opulent in here. Absolutely beautiful. Even the top of the door is wood. Absolutely gorgeous.
Welcome downstairs.
Thank you.
Fuel injected fuel company, not carb.
The chap in with the Rolls Royce let me sit inside it. It's absolutely beautiful. So, moving on, we have a Console Capri, stunning baby blue, followed up by a Mark II Escort with a missing bonnet. So, yeah, interesting. Next car we have, you should recognise this one. This is the square back from vwcoco. Yeah, if you haven't checked out his channel, I suggest you get over there and do so, because it is a good channel. And yeah, please subscribe. We have another Series 1 Landy. Very, very cool. Another MG, little midget by the look of it. We have a Bentley. I'm guessing that's a Spur, but I could be wrong. Oh, look at that two-tone colour. That is absolutely gorgeous. Whoa. That is absolutely stunning. Oh my word. Look at that. Getting very excited. Beautiful car.
Yeah. Hello, alright.
Hi. Gorgeous P5B. I think it's a P5B. Or it could just be a P5. Is it a P5 or a P5B? It is a B. Okay, so let's have a look in there. There's a bit of history on the screen then. I didn't read that, unfortunately. Beautiful car. I do like the P5s. Gorgeous machines. So solid and chunky. 70 ROV. Wow. So, yeah, stunning machine. What was that in the windscreen again? History of the 71. I thought it was a 71. Zircon blue. Wow. Beautiful. Right, next we have another Land Rover, Landy 90, with an Edelbrock filter. Is that a different engine in there? Wouldn't be surprised. There's a V8 in there, maybe it's just been modified. We have another Land Rover, I'm not too sure what that is, I'm sure that someone will tell me. Parked next to a little Cooper Mini.
Yeah, these are new doors I just put on.
And another little Mini in a gorgeous purple. And we have a really nice 216 SLI Rover. Hello. That's nice. Please do not touch unless naked. I think it's going to be a still for the... Here we have some American cars. We have a Panhard. And yeah, it's unusual looking machine. Very unusual. So I'm thinking that's going to be 1950s. And we have what looks like Chevy wagon, or pickup, sorry, Chevy pickup. It's a big thing. And we have some other American cars here. We have a Corvette. I think that's another Corvette. We have some French. There's a Citroen for Mr. Hubnut. You'd like this. Look at those indicators. Look at that. Indicators high up on the shoulder of the car. And it's a soft top, as you can see. I don't know what Citroen this is, so if somebody does know, feel free to let me know. Look at that. That sounds brilliant. We have a little Lotus here. I love these cars, they're beautiful. We have another little MG. And we have a little MGF, a green MGF, which was mentioned to me earlier. So I'm going to go and have a look at this. Guys, two little tractors, a wheel horse, Lawn Ranger electric. This will be for Ken's small Ken over in America. See, check that out. And we've got this little Cub International Cadet. How cool is that? All sorts of this show. That is brilliant. Little plough on the back. A gorgeous Austin Healey 3000 in a beautiful, beautiful blue and white. This one's for sale. Gorgeous interior on that. That is just beautiful. We also have here the next car over. yeah, MGA, I'm going to say. MGA, it's a 1600 Mark II. Yes, so absolutely beautiful. Look at that A-Series engine in there. Absolutely gorgeous. And we have a little Triumph Frog Eye. I'm not too sure what model that is. I'm sure somebody will correct me. We have another Austin Healey 3000 Mark II. And that is absolutely stunning in red. We have an MG ZR. Was it Zen? No, it's the MG ZS. I should know that. Sorry. So, lovely, lovely colour. And we have another MGA sat next to it. We have more bikes. We have a Triumph with no badging on the side. That one. Lovely little bike. Another Triumph. There could be bodies, I'm not sure. Another little Triumph. I think these are all Triumphs. And I've got a Honda. I've got a Honda Goldwing. Ah, it's the older type, because the modern one is like gigantic right there. And we have a Kawasaki 650 for sale. Very nice bikes. It's good to see bikes, and I like to add bikes. Now we have had people starting to leave, unfortunately, but that's what happens during a car show. So we have this bus over here. This bus is separated by a huge gap to this Series 3. I'm going to guess Series 3 Landy. I do like these. And then we have this lovely little MG. And we have one from Mr. Hubner himself. His lovely, lovely character of a 2CV. And we have a Morris Minor van, Oldham Touch Property Services Limited. Fantastic. Look at that. So yeah, certain cars are on their way now. Hi. Yeah. Now we have more wind. We have a Morgan. Not too sure what model that is, but that's lovely. A bay window bus with a spanking interior. That is so nice, isn't it? And a fridge with stickers on it. Lovely. A gorgeous little Mini. That's a limited edition by the look of it. 1959 to 1989. So yes, that is a limited edition. And now we have a Rover P5. It could be a B. I always get mixed up with the Bs and the P5, Bs and... Yep. Beautiful car. We have a lovely little MG. And right next to this gorgeous little car, we have this absolutely mad, gigantic thing, whatever it is. Powered by what looks like a Jaguar V8. Car called the Jagster by the look of it. And it's an E-registration, so God knows. It has a monstrous looking power plant in there. But this thing is all basically roll cage. The whole thing is roll cage. And it's got what looks like I'm guessing a parachute on the back. That's the word I was looking for, parachute. But what it is wow, it's got what looks like motorcycle exhausts. It's huge, this thing. Created a lot of noise on the way in. Absolutely mad vehicle. We have two American cars. This one, that is just gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful machine. What is it? Cougar. It's a Mercury Cougar. What a name, man. What a smell from the exhaust pipes. People are strange. Yes, they are. I wholeheartedly agree with that statement.
Hey, nice to meet you. Look after her, alright? Okay. See you around.
See the owner of the other one.
We have a great big, what I think could be well, it's a Bentley. I was thinking something else then, but this is a big Bentley. For sale. 1951 Bentley 6. Steel bodied Bigfoot. Wow. Oh my word, look at the size of that engine. That's just gigantic.
Yeah, I mean, like I said, it's not closed in because
Wow.
show customers.
Definitely needs some TLC on the engine. The rest of it looks fantastic. Gorgeous.
Working on a closing in.
Okay, next up we have what looks like a Rally P5. We've got a Morris Minor over there. People are starting to leave now, so I'm going to try and catch up with whatever I can. Got a Mini. Lovely. Oh, I've seen this one before. It's Mark 1 Capri. Beautiful car. Ford Evergreen. Lovely. We have a Lotus Elan, I'm going to guess, because I don't really know much about my Lotuses. And we have some other cars coming up, but I'm going to leave it there. We've got an Aston Martin. We have a Marcos. No, Ginetta. Sorry, Ginetta. It's a gorgeous little Ginetta. So, go up a little bit more. Got a Porsche 911 by the look of it. Carrera. A Land Rover Series 3, and we've got a Volvo Amazon. So I'm going to say thank you for watching. Hope this has been okay, this film, and yeah, see you on the next adventure. Farewell from me.